Hello. In this video, we are going to see how a manufacturer and trader can manage their inventory on Transact. Let's start with the manufacturing flow. Manufacturing flow में mainly चार process होते हैं. Number one is the procurement of the raw material. Number two will be the consumption of the raw material. Number three is the finished good creation. And number four is the finished good dispatch. Here on Transact, you can streamline all these processes in very few steps. Let's see how the procurement works here in Transact. Procurement can be handled with the help of this transactions module. In the transaction, to start the procurement process, we need to create a purchase order in the system. And against the purchase order, we can create the inward of the material once the material is received from our supplier to us. I have already created a purchase transaction here in the next tab, where I have created a purchase order, and against the PO, I have already created the invert document. And आप जैसे ही invert को सेव करोगे आपके सिस्टम में, automatically the stock of the item which is present in the invert document will get updated into the inventory. So let's see invert में जो item है, which is the panel box of 20 pieces. Once we will save this document, automatically panel box का stock जो है आपके inventory में add हो जाएगा by the 20 pieces. So let me show you the impact once we will save this invert document in the system. तो जैसे ही आप इस invert को सेव करोगे, आपके inventory में if you will go and check the stock of the panel box, it will show you the upward movement of 20 pieces. यहाँ पे you will see the current stock as 684 and the last transactions was plus 20, जो यहाँ पे green color के arrow में आपको दिख रहा है. So this is how you can do your procurement in Transact. Then the second process will be the consumption of the raw material जो हमने ये purchase किया है from our vendor. That can be handled with the help of this production module. Production module में सबसे पहले आप एक bill of material create करते हो. उस bill of material को create करने के बाद में उसका एक production order create करते हो. So again, I have already created a production order for a finished good called as cylinder valve. तो cylinder valve बनाने के लिए 5 pieces of cylinder valve बनाने के लिए I will required here 10 pieces of my panel box. हमने already 20 pieces purchase करके रखे हुए हैं. So we will use 10 pieces here in this process. Now the first process in the production is the issuance of the raw material from the store. तो जैसे ही अगर हम यहाँ पे इस raw material के against में issuance का request डालेंगे to the store, if you will click on the issue button here and if you will submit the change in quantity here, जितना आपको material लेना है from the store, you can put the quantity here, or else you can just click on this arrow which is present here just below the estimated raw material, so that automatically 10 pieces or 10 quantities will come here in the change in quantity. And once you will submit here, automatically the stock of the panel box will get reduced by 10 pieces in the inventory. Again, if you will go into the inventory tab and if you will search, if you will refresh this page and again search for a panel box, it will show you the downward movement of 10 pieces in the item. The previous stock was 684 and the current stock it is showing as 674 and the movement it is showing as -10. So this is how you can procure the raw material and you can consume the same in the production order. Then the third process is the finished good creation. तो जैसे ही आपका रॉ मटेरियल आप इशू करते हो प्रोडक्शन के अंदर एंड सारे प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करते हो, देन अ फिनिश गुड गेट्स क्रिएटेड. आप एक फिनिश गुड रेडी करते हो. सो दैट फिनिश गुड यू कैन सबमिट, यू कैन टेस्ट एंड यू कैन सबमिट इनटू द स्टोर. तो सबमिट करने के लिए स्टोर के अंदर अगेन इफ यू विल क्लिक ऑन द इशू बटन हियर अंडर द फिनिश गुड ऑप्शन, अब जैसे इस पे इशू पे क्लिक करते हो, हियर योर टारगेट प्रोडक्शन वाज 5. Out of 5, how much you have completed, you have to give the quantity here in the quantity added and you can submit the same. अब जैसे इसको submit करते हो, then one option will get enabled here in the production order, which is the testing of the finished good. जो भी आपने finished good create की है, आप उसकी एक level की testing करते हो. So that option you will get here in the other actions button. आप इस पे जैसे ही FG testing करते हो, so out of 5, how much quantity you have passed, how much you have sent for repair, or how much of quantity if there is any rejection, कितना rejection होता है, you can put the data here and you can submit the same. And आप जैसे ही submit करोगे, the finished good quantity of this cylinder valve by 5 pieces will get added to my inventory. So again, if you will go to the inventory and if you will search for an item cylinder valve here, So here, if you will see the current stock, it is showing as 5. So जैसे ही आप वहां से टेस्टिंग करके कंप्लीट करोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली द स्टॉक इन द इन्वेंटरी विल गेट अपडेटेड बाय 5 पीसेस फॉर दैट फिनिश गुड. एंड अगर फिनिश गुड आपके स्टॉक में आ जाता है, देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली डिस्पैच द मटेरियल विद द हेल्प ऑफ इनवॉइस अगेन बाय यूजिंग दिस ट्रांजैक्शंस मॉड्यूल. एंड आप यहां से ऑर्डर कंफर्मेशन के अगेंस्ट में इनवॉइस क्रिएट कर सकते हो, या फिर डायरेक्टली यू कैन क्रिएट द इनवॉइस विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस क्रिएट डॉक्यूमेंट बटन, जहां पे इनवॉइस का ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. And once you will dispatch the material, once you will save the material, once you will save the invoice in your system, automatically the stock of that finished good will get reduced from the inventory. So this is how you can streamline your inventory in Transact as a manufacturer. And if you are into a trading business, then it is very simple for you. The material which you will buy from your vendor, which can be done with the help of purchase order and invert document, the same material you will sell out to your buyers with the help of invoice. So there is no need of doing the production part, creation of the bill of material. So it's very simple for a trader to manage inventory here in Transact. Thank you so much.